Hi guys, Jess here with Angels Grove. So I first want to start out by saying thank you for coming to our channel. If you haven't yet, please subscribe below because you don't want to miss what's coming up. We're going to be starting a succulent wedding series here. I'm going to be going over different arrangements that I'm making for my own wedding. I'm going to be talking about the bouquet. I'm going to be talking about corsages, boutonnieres, kind of the whole works. And then at the end of it all, you're going to see how I'm going to move all of my succulents to Minnesota with me when my fiancé and I move out there after our wedding. To start us out, I was gifted a dough bowl for one of my graduation presents, and so I turned it into a succulent planter, of course, and this is what I am going to be using on my gift table at my wedding. watering. I know a lot of you will be concerned about that, so that's why I laid the tarp down. And what I'm going to be using to water the succulents is this garden syringe. I'll include a link down below of that. I think I bought it off of Amazon. And what I'll be doing is filling this up with water, and then I'm going to be pointing it at the root balls of these succulents and only there. And then I normally, when I'm watering succulents, I soak the root ball or, you know, whatever container they're in completely and then let that completely dry out. But because this doesn't have any drainage holes, it's kind of going to be treated a little bit differently in the sense that I won't be soaking it because, you know, it's not going to drain. So I'm just probably going to water it a little bit more often and in a lot less amounts. One of the things I want to note is that succulents do grow really slowly. And then also, this isn't really for the purpose of, you know, making it last forever. I'm getting married in 10 days, and so, you know, I kind of am just wanting it to get through that, and then, you know, if it lasts longer than that, then that's great. With this arrangement, I had a candle holder, this guy right here, and I bought that from At Home. I think it was on sale, so it wasn't very expensive. And so I'm kind of using that as my center or like focal point in this arrangement just because it's really tall and it's really pretty. So I kind of built around that. And so I started with the bigger succulents first. I had a couple like showstoppers, as I call them. You know, my Echeveria Frills, which is over here, is like the size of my head. And then I have a Haworthia in the back that I've been growing in an orange pot, which some of you have commented on. And so I just took the whole thing out of that orange pot and put it in there. In terms of preparing for, you know, making an arrangement like this, I definitely checked for bugs on every single succulent, and I pulled off any dead leaves or anything that kind of looked, you know, maybe sunburnt or I guess just not appealing to me. And so I made sure that they were kind of pruned up to my expectations, and then I used them. You know, I don't want to have to be going back through and pulling out a bunch of dead stuff right away. It just makes it look cleaner, nicer, and brighter. If you want your arrangements to look really colorful, having a grow light is definitely what's going to help with that. And so I had all of these succulents growing under a grow light for probably a year. You know, it doesn't take that long for them to color up nicely, but that's why they've been able to grow so fast. And I'll link what I use down below as well. And if you haven't, go check out our grow light video. Otherwise, follow along with our succulent wedding series. If there's something in particular that you would like to see, even if I might not be making it, I'll see if I can't add it into this series, because I know that there are certain things that I'm not going to be making that someone else might want to know how. Jake and I are going to be moving, and so another thing that I would love for you guys to do for us is comment below any questions that you might have. We're going to have a 10-hour some drive, and so I'd love to be able to make kind of a question and answer video, you know, and gather up those questions throughout our succulent wedding series and make them into a video so that you guys can see how we're going to move our succulents and also get a lot of questions answered in that video that, you know, might have been unclear in past videos. So yeah, please do that. Please subscribe. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So thank you for watching. Bye.